This might be the best all-in-one camera that Nikon has made, and I'm shooting on it right now. This is the Nikon Z6III, and if you shoot video and stills, it might be exactly what you've been looking for. The Nikon Z6III is for serious enthusiasts and semi-professionals who need one tool for both: stunning videos and beautiful stills. That's what hybrid truly means. Most photographers/creators need one camera that handles both videography and photography at a high level, not two. The Nikon Z6III gives you professional grade tools without compromise. The 24.5 megapixel partially stacked CMOS sensor enables faster readout, reduced rolling shutter, and improved autofocus. And internally, it supports 10-bit video and 14-bit stills, making it a hybrid powerhouse. Nikon's color science is magic here. Footage and stills pop right out of the camera. From skin tones to shadows, everything just looks right. You're also getting internal in RAW, ProRes RAW, and autofocus technology straight from the Z8 and Z9, which means it holds its focus even in motion-heavy work. It captures up to 6K 60 in 12-bit in RAW, or up to 5.4K 60 or 4K 60 in 12-bit ProRes RAW HQ. You also get 4K 120 for cinematic slow motion and full HD at 240. It also has everything that you need to make production easier, such as a full articulating screen, dual card slots, Z-mount for your choice of lenses, and smart integration with your phone, making remote photography and videography a lot easier. It's almost identical in size to the Z6 II, but it's a little bit deeper, giving it a more comfortable grip in hand. It's compact, rugged, and travel ready. In the box, you will find the Z6 III body, battery, strap, USB-C cable, and user manuals. Whether you're new to manual settings or you're a seasoned shooter, the Z6III works your way. Auto modes make point and shoot simple, while custom presets and manual controls gives you professional flexibility. Whatever the task is, the Z6III is there and ready to upgrade your production.